Right, you got pound dollar doing something similar to what it did a little while ago, and I said this is again a high risk trade or in an active trade. Here it is again. Um, you saw how a little while ago it just took off, and again, there's always that danger and that factor involved. But active traders, you do have still enough happening here that you would anticipate at least the potential pound dollar hanging around here, coming back down to 80, possibly 70. Again, it's just waiting, and I have to think that right now, as we get closer to the last hour of the European market closing, that we're going to get some kind of a move here. Whether up or down, I don't know, but the idea here is probably be conservative. Don't try to take any kind of probably active position right now, as we could get volume kicking in either direction as we get to the last hour of the European markets closing. So that's how, as an active trader, you always have got to be very sensitive to the time of things happening, so that you don't find yourself again in a position that you might feel very uncomfortable. Now at the same time, all of a sudden we could get a sell-off. So you do have a setup here, and you have to feel comfortable with saying, all right, I understand that the hour, and I understand this risk I'm taking, and based on that, I think maybe there's a good chance that if there is volume, the volume will come down to this area down here, and so I'm going to be comfortable with selling and putting 5-7 point stop to start out with the trade, those passive entries. And ideally, again, I'd like to be long the pound if it comes down to this area down here quickly. All right, we're seeing a little bit of the market now shaking up as we are getting into this 10:30 time frame, and see if we can get some of these retracements